Good morning, welcome back. The frosty nights have arrived. We had a night of -2 Celsius, and last night was -3.5 Celsius. So I can take up all the stuff that I was waiting for the frost now. Guess we'll take up the rest of the stuff in the garden, and the outdoor garden will be done for this year. We'll put everything in a wheelbarrow. I won't dig up the potatoes today, but the other stuff we should be able to get. Everything else. I had some rutabaga sprout in June. Very few, but some. They turned out to be very nice rutabaga. Now I'm not going to cut them right off in a globe because that's quite a thick piece going down there. So I'll cut them off out there. So they didn't grow perfect. You see, we've got some forking, and that was some fairly big roots as well. But to be honest, it's the best rutabaga that I've ever grown. Smaller one, but a good rutabaga nevertheless. This is where the black turtle beans were. That was one of the volunteer turnip there. I don't know how the seed got there. Then another one, and another one. I'm going to check around now and see if I can find any more rutabaga that's of harvestable size. No, I don't think so. Let's check and see how big these carrots are. You see how big the top is, but that doesn't mean it's a big carrot. Oh, it's a nice forked one, but it's a nice sized carrot. See, all of the carrots didn't grow properly in this bed. Well, that's another one there. Another one here. Oh, split in two, but it's two nice sides to that one. See, there's a few carrots in this bed. I just gotta look them over, eh? And we'll go over this bed and see what's here. See, you push down on the carrot and then you pull up, and it's easier. Little tiny thing. Now this one has a really big top to it, but he's just short one. You know what? Now, scarlet nantas that I planted there originally, so they should be longer than that. Now see, the rutabaga, they just never had time. The second lot that I planted, remember, I planted them in 1st of August because some of them are starting to bob up, and if they had another month, I would have had a lot of good rutabaga here. But of course, the ones I planted in June didn't sprout. Among the strawberries, let's check and see. All little short things. Like that. Got harvest anyway. Better than nothing. Anyway, that's the carrot harvest. Got a bag full of carrots. I don't have a big problem with it. I wouldn't consider it a big problem anyway. But many other channels, they'll mention this. You see out there all those holes? That's carpenters. Slaters, sow bugs, whatever it is where you live. They go by several different names. The turnip don't have that big extra root on it like the rutabaga does. See, it's just got a couple little roots sticking off the end of a fairly large globe. Sun goes behind a cloud, or a cloud covers the sun, and it gets cold again. Now we have a cabbage. Take that like that. Not a large head of cabbage, but it is a nice one. See, the outer leaves of cabbage, they get really damaged by in any organic garden. And then you get into that heart. This one's not fully solid. But it's okay. I'm gonna make some cabbage casserole and it'll go good in it. Now over here there's another one. Oh, there's a gray jay on you. I don't know how long they live. There's been a pair around that's coming every year. This one, the outer leaves are even more damaged. And nice head here. It's not completely solid, but it's still a good head. So that's that. It should be tasty, especially considering it's got some frost. And tomorrow we'll dig the potatoes. So it is such as it is. November the 4th now. Yeah, this hasn't been a very good year at all. We didn't get anything out of what we planted in August, but I'm hoping that this stays. You see how high the water has gotten up now? It's right up almost to the top of that dam I made. And well, it just took a while for everything to soak in. And what I'm thinking is that I do have a little 12-volt submersible pump, one of those little bilge pumps for a boat. And I can use this water to water what's outside of where my sprinkler is going to be. Which was a hope, and I don't know, I think we'll see how far this water builds up, and I might build the dam up a bit higher. Of course, it can only go so high, I don't want it to flow out here. And that'll be full, and I'll be able to, with the pump itself, you see, I could just water down just using the pump all along here, and I can make some more no-dig beds here. So I could have quite a bit of area here that I'm gardening, and water right from here and that small pond up there. So next year, well, next year is another year, right? And we'll water a lot more. I'll probably be able to get that bed over there with just a hose from the pump. So I hope you enjoyed that. That's what I got for turnip and carrot and rutabaga, cabbage, and the next video will be potatoes. Thank you for watching.